Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. There's something irresistible about lasagna, warm, cheesy, and packed with flavor. This spinach and sausage version takes that comfort to the next level with savory Italian sausage and fresh spinach for a hearty, balanced meal. Whether you're feeding a crowd or just craving a cozy dinner, this recipe delivers rich taste without skimping on easy prep. You'll love the layers of tender pasta, creamy ricotta, and a homemade tomato sauce that ties it all together. Below, we'll walk through the simple steps to make this dish, plus tips for customizing it to your taste. Let's get cooking. Why spinach and sausage lasagna is a must-try. This isn't just another lasagna, it's a flavor-packed upgrade that turns a classic into something extraordinary. The combination of spinach and sausage brings richness, depth, and a touch of freshness you won't find in traditional recipes. The perfect balance of flavors. Sweet, earthy spinach and bold, savory sausage create a harmony that makes every bite exciting. Spinach mellows the richness of the sausage, while garlic, basil, and oregano add just enough kick. Then there's the cheese, creamy ricotta, gooey mozzarella, and sharp parmesan, melting into every layer. The result is a dish that's hearty but not heavy, with flavors that stand out without overpowering each other. Compared to traditional meat lasagna, this version has more complexity. Sausage brings deeper spice notes than ground beef, and spinach keeps each bite bright. Nutritional benefits of spinach. Spinach isn't just for taste, this leafy green packs serious nutrition. Here's what it adds to your lasagna. Vitamins A and C for immune support and healthy skin. Iron and folate to boost energy and cell repair. Fiber for digestion without weighing you down. Unlike some dishes where veggies feel like an afterthought, spinach here holds its own. It keeps the lasagna from feeling overly heavy while adding nutrients you won't get from meat and cheese alone. The best part? You won't even think about the health benefits while eating it. The flavors are too good to notice anything but how satisfying each bite is. Key ingredients for the best spinach and sausage lasagna. Great lasagna starts with great ingredients. The right combination of sausage, cheese, and greens makes this dish stand out. Here's what you need to get the best flavor and texture in every bite. Choosing the right sausage. Sausage sets the tone for your lasagna. Not all types work the same way, so picking the right one matters. Mild Italian sausage has a gentle garlic and fennel flavor that blends well without overpowering the spinach. Hot Italian sausage adds a spicy kick, balancing the creaminess of the cheese. If you like heat, this is the way to go. Sweet Italian sausage leans toward a milder, slightly sweeter taste, making it a crowd pleaser. No pork? Try turkey or chicken sausage for a leaner option. Vegetarians can swap in plant-based sausage or mushrooms for a similar savory depth. The role of cheese in lasagna. Cheese isn't just a topping, it's the glue that holds everything together. Each type brings something different to the table. Ricotta adds creaminess and lightness. Its mild flavor lets the sausage and spinach shine. Mozzarella melts into gooey perfection, creating those irresistible cheesy layers. Parmesan sharpens the flavor with a salty, nutty punch. A little goes a long way. Out of ricotta? Cottage cheese, blended smooth, works in a pinch. For a dairy-free version, try cashew-based ricotta or a mix of shredded vegan cheeses. Fresh ingredients make the difference here. Pre-shredded cheese often contains anti-caking agents that affect meltiness, so grating your own is worth the effort. Step-by-step cooking instructions. Making spinach and sausage lasagna is straightforward, but a few key steps will guarantee the best texture and flavor. Here's how to prep, layer, and bake your lasagna for a dish that's cheesy, evenly cooked, and packed with savory goodness. Prepping the spinach and sausage. Spinach. Start with fresh spinach, about 10 ounces, or frozen for convenience. If using fresh, wilt it in a pan with a splash of olive oil over medium heat for 2-3 minutes. Drain it well in a colander, pressing out excess liquid with the back of a spoon. Watery spinach can make your lasagna soggy. Sausage. Remove sausage from casings if using links. Brown it in a skillet over medium heat, breaking it into small crumbles as it cooks. Drain any excess grease, but leave a little for flavor. Season with a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a sprinkle of fennel seeds if you want extra depth. Mix the cooked sausage with your tomato sauce for even distribution. Layering techniques for perfect lasagna. The secret to lasagna that holds together? Even layers in the right order. Start with sauce. Spread a thin layer of tomato sauce on the bottom of your baking dish. This prevents sticking and keeps noodles tender. Noodles first. Use no-boil lasagna sheets for ease, or pre-cooked noodles if you prefer. Avoid overlapping them too much. Cheese and fillings. Spread a generous layer of ricotta mixed with an egg, for binding, followed by spinach, sausage, and a handful of shredded mozzarella. Repeat. Add another layer of noodles, sauce, and fillings. Finish with a top layer of noodles, extra sauce, and a thick blanket of mozzarella and parmesan for a golden crust. Pro tip. Press layers down lightly with a spatula to eliminate gaps, but don't pack too tightly. You want air pockets for even baking. That's it for part 1. We've got the layers all set and ready to go. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll bake it to perfection and dive into some tasty tips for serving. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.